So I've prepped the front of the engine and the hardware, the screws. I've wire brushed them. I've run down the nuts on the studs to make sure everything is going on well. I've got the two interior plates that go in. Now I've got the gasket here that came with it. It's aligned so that once I get the RTV on it, then it's just a matter of laying it up, and then I'm going to put another coat of RTV on the outer facing and take the whole thing over to the engine. So we'll put what will hopefully end up being a light coat of RTV. I would have been better served putting this in the vise, but I find an orientation that works, and that's the only one it's having. We've got it all around the edges. Need two hands to take it over to the engine and set it in place. I'll bring you up when it's got bolts going in it. Alright, so 15 foot-pounds is about 180 inch-pounds, which is about 200. So I'm going to go to 100 all the way around. And we'll do the star pattern thing. Alright, you get the gist of what tightening bolts is like. Alright, water pump is on. Then I've got this pulley, which will bolt on there in line with the pulleys on the harmonic balancer. But I'm going to wire brush it and prime and paint that. Probably not going to want to put all this stuff back on, the fan, the spacer, etc., until I've got the radiator in place. It'd be that much easier to drop the radiator into its slot without having to work around the fan. So radiator won't be going in tonight, so neither will these wheels. Pulley wheel, so I may as well prime and paint them. It's always something. So there was a bracket, there is a bracket that goes from, I believe, that screw bolt up to the back of the alternator, as well as the one that comes off of there. So it looks like one of these will have to come off and put that bracket on. Not a big deal. So I'll do that and try to find the rest of the hardware for alternator connection. So this is the steering column cover, the turn signal switch cover, the firewall brace, and another little cover that fit on the bottom of the steering column. I'm going to sand and prime these hopefully tonight. I want to take off the plastic bushing here on the bottom, and so this doesn't need to get painted, and that'll be the next thing. Steering column pieces are cleaned, sanded, cleaned again, and I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with the steering wheel. I'd love to paint it the same time I paint everything else, but I'm not sure I want to wait for that, but I got some time. Get primer on those other pieces first. They're the ones that are going to risk getting rusty.